Is there a viable two-state solution, in your opinion, given the conditions and given the temperature on the ground right now?
Why are you limiting yourself to that question? Why is not the question, is there a viable, just solution? Can Palestinians live free? Can they say they're Palestinian without being chased down by settlers shooting at them? Can they say, hi, I want Palestine to be free without worrying about the Israeli military court charging us with incitement? Because that's what's happening. And it's ridiculous that we're still asking the same old questions.